Everyone. I thought I'd just show you a brief video how birds react and interact with each other. So far the training session it's going. I wish I could say when I get up in the morning they eagerly chirp as I enter the room. That doesn't happen. I realize they haven't accepted me as part of the flock, but that's okay. I enjoy watching them get out and watching them fly. This one is Francine. I call her boss lady because ever since she came into the cage, she's taken it over and she kind of runs things. That's Snow. If you notice the pearlings are going away after his first molt. That's because male cockatiels, they don't keep their pearlings. Kind of like, hey Francine, do you want to show your feathers? Kind of like what she has, but they still make great pets. Up here, the yellow one, that's Sunshine. They can be a little bit, aggressive. They're like siblings. Back there, that's Moonlight. And let's see. And down here, oh, there's Samuel. They all have their own personalities. Sometimes they fight. Sometimes they'll sit on one perch like they haven't done anything wrong. And I like watching the budgies fly around in the cage. And I have been letting them out more often. They know how to get back to their cage. What I don't like is when I'm working to hear someone flying over my head. I think they do that just to annoy me. This cage was clean. It's a lot of work to keep the cage clean. Now you could spend 2 and 3 hours cleaning the cage and a half hour later look like it's never been clean. And sometimes you just have to sit back and enjoy yourself and enjoy your birds. This is the quiet mode for them. Snow does whistle quite a bit, and right now he's not. I got them this bell for them to play in, and it's a lot of upkeep, but it's fun. I enjoy it, and I'm hoping next year to breed Francine and Snow, but I'll see how that goes. Yeah, there's always a little bit of people fighting over. This is my spot, and I be thinking, as big as this cage is, each one could have their own ladder, their own perch. But they're like little kids, and I enjoy it. Okay, well, thank you for watching my video, and keep following for more fun facts on your bird and you. And I'll see you at the next video.